Ever wish you could magically update all your photo information in Lightroom at once? You absolutely can. First, open Lightroom and navigate to your photo library from here. Select all the photos you want to apply the same metadata edits to. You can do this by clicking on the first photo, holding down the Shift key, and then clicking on the last photo in your desired range. Once your photos are selected, look for the info panel on the right side of your screen. Within this panel, you'll find the metadata section. This is where the magic happens. Now, you can start typing in the information you want to add or change. For example, if you want to apply specific keywords to all these photos, simply type them into the keywords field. As you type, you'll see the changes being applied universally to your selection. This works for various metadata fields, including captions, copyright information, creator details, and much more. Imagine how much time this saves when organizing large events or projects. Once you've entered all the desired information, you'll notice that the changes are automatically applied to every selected photo. There's no need to click an extra save button for each individual image. And just like that, you've streamlined your photo management process, making your entire library effortlessly organized and searchable. Batch editing metadata in Lightroom is a game changer for efficiency.